Today I'll be opening up the 2024 Disneyland Hidden Disney Pins. These started showing up in the park in March of 2024 on the pin boards only, and then a few months later they're available to purchase in these silver bags. So these are available at Disneyland for $17.99 per bag, and there are 2 pins in each bag. I got these through Connie Loves Disney Pickups. Connie has a Disney YouTube channel, and she also does Disneyland merchandise pickups. So if you need anything at Disneyland, be sure to check out her channel and Instagram. So this is a 37 pin collection, and it is broken up into 6 different themed categories. And those categories are Mickey ear hats, Marvel superhero t-shirts, Star Wars Galaxy creatures, Pixar Jack Jack, which has the different superpowers that Jack Jack has, Disneyland D series, which has the Disneyland D logo with a character in front, and then Mickey Holidays, which has Mickey dressed up for the different holidays. So each category has 5 regular pins and then a chaser pin, and then the Mickey ear hats category has a chaser pin and a super chaser pin, and that one is the Headless Horseman, so that one's probably pretty rare to find, but hopefully it's in this bag I'm holding. So these are very similar to the Walt Disney World ones. The Disney World ones also have the ear hats and the t-shirts, but they are all different designs. Even the Super Chaser, it's still the Headless Horseman, but one of them's red and one of them is blue. The other categories for Disney World, Star Wars is droids, Pixar is Wall-E characters. Instead of the Disneyland D series, they have villains, which is awesome. And then instead of Mickey Holidays, they have Stitch Holidays. So I like a lot of those ones too, so I'll probably have to buy some of those bags. If you're trying to collect both from Disneyland and Disney World, it will be 74 pins to collect. But this video is just the Disneyland one, so let's open these up and see what we get. So I have 5 bags here to open up, which is 10 pins total. The ones I'm hoping to get the most are the Disneyland D series ones. I especially want the Hatbox Ghost one of those, and then the Hatbox Ghost one of the ear hats would be awesome too. And of course, I would love to get the Headless Horseman Super Chaser, but there's a lot of other cool ones in here too. It would be nice to get one from each category. So these do have the little cutout here, so you can just rip them open. And then these usually, yep, they still do. They have a little cardboard piece that has the 2 pins. So I'm gonna take the first one, which I can see, and it is a Mickey Ears hat, and it is Jack Skellington. Very cool. So we have Jack is the main part of the hat, and then we have the pumpkin up on the one side, and then that, I don't know, that snowy mountain curl thing that they stand on. And then we have the hidden Mickey right in the pumpkin's mouth, which is pretty cool. And our other one, it's round. I'm looking at the back, so I'm thinking this is a Jack Jack one. And it is. And it is Jack Jack with the lasers. He's got the lasers coming out of his eyes. And this one has, ooh, it's very shiny. It has the little Pixar ball logo. So that's why they changed these. They're not called Hidden Mickey pins anymore because they have Star Wars, Marvel, and Pixar. But the ones that are Mickeys, like the ear hats, I still consider those Hidden Mickey pins. So the other ones would be what? Hidden Star Wars pins? Okay, so one of them's facing up, and it is a D series one, and it is Lucky. Awesome. So we have Lucky, he's got the red collar, and he's in front of a red Disneyland D logo, and the little hidden Mickey is right up there on the D. And this one is another round one. This is Jack Jack as Edna Mode. So we have Jack Jack looking like Edna Mode, and he's got a big lollipop. That one's pretty cool too. All right, let's get into bag 3. So what do we have? We've got 3 categories, right? So we're looking for Star Wars, Pixar, and then the holiday ones. That's what we want. Ooh, I can see 2 points sticking out, and it looks like it's the Disneyland D, which is awesome. And it is Hades. Nice. So this one has Hades standing in front of a blue Disneyland D logo. Awesome, got 2 of those. And ooh, this one, looking at the back, I think I see Mickey's feet. So this is, ooh, nice. This one is Mickey Christmas. So this is the Christmas Mickey one, and this one is the Chaser. That's awesome. We have Mickey, he's got a sack of presents, and he has the hidden Mickey down in his foot. Didn't think of, do we have any other chasers? No, we don't have, nope, that was the only chaser one we have so far. Let's get into bag 4. We get here, the one facing up is, yes, it is the Hatbox Ghost ear hats. So we have the Hatbox Ghost with this hat, of course, and then you have like the brick wall in the background. That is really cool. Awesome. And that one is the Chaser for the ear hat. Not the Super Chaser, but it is the Chaser. And I can see on the back of this one, it is our first Marvel t-shirt, and it is Captain America. Awesome. And that would be the one I would choose if I had to get one of those. So we have Captain America shirt. It's a white shirt with the Captain America shield, and we have the little Avengers logo. So that's a hidden Marvel pin. All right, we have our last bag here, and I think we have one from each category. I think we do. Or no, we don't have a Star Wars one. We need one of the Star Wars creatures. Let's get the Porg or a Tauntaun or something. That'd be cool. All right, this one we have, the one facing up is Jack Jack, and it looks like he is made of water. I thought from the picture it might have been like frozen, like Frozone or something, but it looks like it's water. So we have another Jack Jack one, and then our last one is, I can tell it's a Disneyland D series, and it is Belle. So we have Belle in her yellow dress, and she is in front of a kind of an orangish yellow Disneyland D logo. Very, very nice. So we got one from each category except Star Wars, but got 10 uniques. You gotta love that. So those were the 2024 Disneyland Hidden Disney Pins. Do you have a favorite out of the 10 that I unboxed? My favorite, I believe, is the Hatbox Ghost ear hats. That was one of the ones that I wanted, but I do like the D series ones too. I think this is the 3rd or 4th time they've done the Disneyland D series, so I do have quite a few, so it'll be fun to kind of put them all together and have a huge collection of the D series pins. So this was a great unboxing for me. I got 10 unique pins, so no doubles, feels great. So I want to thank Connie Loves Disney Pickups for the luck. She's the one who picked out these bags, so maybe she's got the lucky touch and I'll have to get more mystery pins from her. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.